A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood.
All right, show us how you go down the stairs.
Babe, she's been drinking all day.
Excuse me, sir.
Wow, wow, wow.